The United States is set to witness what could be seen as its most sensational trial. History is being created as for the very first time, a former U.S. president who is also seeking re-election is standing a criminal trial. Just a short while ago, the Republican leader arrived at the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse in New York for the hush money trial. Today marks the beginning of the trial when all the sides will lay out their cases to jurors in their opening statements. These statements will be kind of a preview to what the 12 jurors and 6 alternates will hear from witnesses and what they will see in documentary evidence in the upcoming days. Cross-examination is likely to take place later, while the entire trial is expected to last up to at least 6 weeks. Trial is set to feature a slew of witnesses from the prosecution's side. The case, if expected to see adult movie star Stormy Daniels and Trump's former fixer turned foe, Michael Cohen, take the stand. Trump has said he also plans to testify. Trump faces 34 counts of falsifying business records to cover up $130,000 payment made to buy Stormy Daniels' silence about a sexual relationship she says she had with him. This allegedly before the 2016 election when Trump clinched the U.S. presidency over Democrat Hillary Clinton. Now, the former president has pleaded not guilty to all the charges and has repeatedly called the trial a witch hunt.
But what's happening here with the judicial system is an outrage, and all over the world they're watching it, and all over the world they're saying it. This is a giant witch hunt to try and hurt a campaign that's beating the worst president in history. Biden's the worst president in the history of our country, beating him by a lot. And this is the only way they think they can win, but it's not going to work.
Trump can be imprisoned to up to 4 years if convicted, although a fine or probation is more likely as per analysts. A unanimous verdict will be required to convict Trump, who has been ordered by the judge to attend each day of the trial. The trial could pose a big risk for Trump less than 7 months before Election Day. It will keep him engaged for weeks, while President Joe Biden is expected to use the time to ramp up his attacks against him and also to campaign all across the country. The ongoing hush money trial is the lesser significant trial Trump faces. He faces 3 more critical indictments in investigations revolving around Trump's attack on the 2020 election and his holding of secret documents. Trump is facing 88 criminal charges across 4 cases, and all his legal woes overlap with his 2024 election campaign. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.